Hello guys, my name is Vishal. In this video, let's explore the camera in the Blender software. Camera stands a very basic tool where you could view from and render from. And let's get started with the video. This model has been downloaded from 3drender.com. I'll be sharing the link in the description. And this scene has got a 3D model, and we got a camera. There's a cube, which is a default cube, and then got a light here. So we can delete the light also, and then we have a camera, which is a default camera. So there's nothing wrong if I delete that camera also, so that I can start from the scratch. So how do I create a camera here? Just you need to go to the add section, and then we have the camera, and this camera will be created at the origin or the cursor location, and you should be able to see the camera here. The camera looks very tiny because the scene is too big. So I'm going to select the scale tool and then scale it like that. I've got the camera here, and then I'm going to make more number of copies here. So I press Shift D and then press X, and then I got a camera here copied. Shift D, which is duplicate, and then press X so that I can move it in the X axis. So we got 3 cameras here, and then right now I'm watching this from a normal perspective view. So in these 3 cameras, one camera has got this black solid fill, and the other 2 cameras have this simple triangles. Now the camera which has got the solid fill is the active camera, and the other 2 are not active. What that actually means? So when I go to the view, cameras, and then say active camera, and my view from perspective changes to the camera view. Okay, so I can press 0 to switch between those 2 views. So I need to go here and then just select that, or I can press 0 on the keyboard. Okay, now if I select this camera and press 0, still I don't go to that particular, I don't go to this camera for the viewing purpose. Rather, my view is going to that, as you could see. So why is that happening? Because this camera is not an active camera. So to make this as an active camera, I need to expand this in the outliner and then just click like that. And then when I press 0, that becomes an active camera. Same thing with this. I click here, and then that becomes an active camera. So I've got these three cameras, in which only one can be an active camera just by selecting that green icon there, and that becomes an active camera. There's the other way around. I can just go to the view, and then in cameras, I can choose this option called set active object as camera, where I can turn the selected camera as active camera here. I can generally switch back to my perspective view to the camera view. Now if I want to make this one as my camera view, just press Ctrl and 0, and then that switches to that view. Select this camera, Ctrl plus 0, and you can select any of this camera and make that as the active camera here. So we also have a few options here, which is align active camera to the view. So this is the active camera, and right now I'm sitting in this view. So I can go to the view and then say align active camera to the view, and it will switch to, the camera which was there here in the middle has been moved now to my active view. So let me undo it. Okay, now you should be able to see right now. Maybe I'll just rotate it, and you could see our camera is here. Then I go to the view, align view, and then align active camera to the current view, which is Control Alt and 0. And you should be able to see that camera from there moved, and my view didn't change, but I could see the camera came here. Let me undo it, and then you should be able to see it again. Control Alt and 0 is the shortcut. Okay, so that's how you can just switch here. And also we have align active camera to the selector. So what that actually means, so I'm going to create a couple of objects here. I press Shift A, and then I'll just create a cube. Okay, and then this cube is going to sit here. Okay, then I press Shift D and then move it there. So I've got these 2 objects here. I'm going to press 0. Then you should be able to see I'm seeing this particular cube. Now I select this cube, go to the view, align view, and say align active camera to the selected. So which means now my camera will directly go and then frame this object. Okay, so that's how it works. So there are more options about camera, but these stands very important for a beginner. Once this is done, we can explore more about the other features of the camera here. I hope you like this video. If you got any questions, please let me know in the comment section. And a simple thank you message in the comment section will greatly motivate me to create more videos. And I request you to subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you very much.